Around the Shop, February 2021. Hey, this is Tom with Farland Classic Restoration. Thanks for stopping by for our February update. While you're here, give us a like, and if you're not subscribed, hit the button so you don't miss out on any of our classic car restorations and classics for sale. To start off the year, we're working on some of the smaller details of the Lincoln LS3 swap, including the intake box and the electrical housing built by our technician Josh. Just last week, we got the hood put back on, and Josh is working with all the wiring to get this Chevy-powered Lincoln rolling. Mike recently finished painting this Mercedes 220S. When the car first came in, it needed some attention under the trim to attend to a little bit of rust. After looking at the car a bit more, we agreed with the owner that a respray was in order. Here, Mike is applying guide coat before wet sanding. This is a very important step that's often overlooked. It's not all classic cars here in the shop. We have this 2005 Lamborghini Gallardo Spider in orange. It was recently brought in by a new owner for a little bit of paintwork on the front lip and wheel arch. Mike has it cleaned up, primed, and now it's heading into the paint booth. Our technician Mario has been getting us started on the nut and bolt restoration of this 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. The rear end is missing completely. This is to allow Mario to widen the wheel wells and ensure we can fit bigger tires under this classic. Keep an eye out on this Mopar muscle car as it comes together. Further back in the shop, our metal master John has been hard at work on the Ferrari Daytona, getting the bumpers to fit correctly and doing some updating work to ensure this will be Farland quality. Some of his modifications include moving the bumpers down to center them in the opening just below where they originally sat. As usual here at Farland, the cars seem to show up in pairs. We recently had two classic Mercedes-Benz 190 SLs come in. One is Blaugrau, or blue-gray, with a red interior from 1959. The other is Hellblau, or light blue, with matching tan top and interior. This one came in for a bit of convertible top work. Getting the trim cleaned up and ensuring the top's fitment is correct. While not every car is a nut and bolt restoration, we love to see cars come in for smaller projects. Over in the showroom, there's a little of everything. Classic and modern American, a modern Japanese classic, a couple of Jaguar E-Types, and even a few Ferraris. Some of the recent additions to the showroom include a 2015 Roush Mustang GT Stage 3, and this gorgeous 365 GT 2+2 is down here spending a little bit of time before it goes up to the shop for some work. And of course there's our bumper car. Remember, you can always subscribe by clicking here, visit our site here, watch another video here, and please give us a thumbs up down below. Have a project? Call the shop at 303-761-1245. Thanks, and see you next time.